Character of Caliban. In this point, we will discuss how does Prospero look at Caliban and how does Caliban look at Prospero. What is the perception of Caliban about Prospero and what is the Prospero's perception about Caliban? It's an interesting way to look at things. Now, according to Prospero, Caliban is a person who cannot be educated, whom he has tried but he could not educate him. According to Prospero, Caliban is a person who attempted rape of Miranda. According to Prospero, Caliban is a darkness personified. According to Prospero, he is such a human being on whom no amount of training can make him better. Caliban view about Prospero is that Prospero has not given him two basic needs of life. One, importance, another, sexual gratification that he could have got through Miranda. According to Sigmund Freud, the psychoanalyst, the father of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud said that human being greatest need is the feeling of importance, that you are important, you are worthy. Now you can feel worthy by becoming the king of an island. You can become worthy by becoming the husband or a partner of Miranda. There are several ways of becoming important. Right, wrong, positive, negative. There are ways of becoming hero. Prospero did not give Caliban his identity of being the king of the island. He was supposed to be the king of the island. Prospero did not give him the due right. As any human being, Caliban wanted to have his future generation. The basic instinct in him wanted to see a prototype of his. He says, to quote the book, if I would have been allowed to have a relationship with Miranda, I could have filled his island with Calibans. That means the desire to produce is a basic human need. I'm not saying it's desire, I'm saying it's need. Mark my word, I'm not saying it's a desire, it's a need. So according to Caliban, Prospero has curbed his desire to feel important, his need to reproduce. So Caliban is blaming Prospero for not giving him a full-fledged life. And Prospero is blaming Caliban for trying to violate his daughter, for trying to utilize the opportunities he has got. Now it is up to you to judge whether Prospero's allegation on Caliban is more justified or Caliban's allegation on Prospero is more justified. क्या सच में कैलिबन बहुत ही गंदा इंसान है या we are looking to the eyes of Prospero that Caliban is a vulgar man, or is it Caliban's desire morally right? This point you need to write. If you see through the lens of Prospero, Caliban is a bad man. And if you see through the lens of Caliban, Caliban की आंखों से देखा जाए तो Prospero ने उसका हक छीन लिया है. His desire to have kids, his desire to get the island which was supposed to get has been curbed by Prospero. So when you write the character of Prospero, you can write Caliban's opinion about him. And when you're writing Caliban's character, you can write about Prospero's opinion about Caliban. So in both the ways, this point can be used. So this is 2 points in one. What does Caliban say about Prospero and what does Prospero say about Caliban? At the end, or even after this point, you can write whose opinion you believe is more trustworthy, is more worthy, or is more valuable and justified with your own take on the text.